Hello again. USD yen is trending higher, but I am seeing a little bit of weakness there. So let's go and see where this market might move to if this weakness continues and what are the signs that we should look for in price action. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out of any of the material that we provide here, but also please do remember that we don't provide any investment advice and you should watch this video only if you agree with this disclaimer. And here we have USD yen in 2-hour time frame, and as you can see from the chart, this currency pair has been trending higher. You can see it from these moving averages here. You can see how they are wide apart, and I'm using 20 and 50 period moving averages here. They are fairly wide apart, which means there has been momentum and the market is making higher lows and higher highs as it should when it's trending higher. But I'm seeing some signs of weakness, and even though I don't know if this will turn into some considerable weakness that would give us a trading opportunity, I'm still giving you heads up so that you can kind of integrate this into your own trading. So basically a bit of framework on where we are at the moment. The market here, this black line here is a November, it's a weekly high from November. So the market is approaching a resistance level there, and at the same time we are seeing a little bit of wedging going here. So let me widen this up a little bit so that you can see better. Now this is what I mean. So there is a definite change in, this is for new traders, for those of you that haven't been doing technical analysis that long. You can see how this angle has changed. So that tells you that the momentum is changing. Angle from these 2 points was very different to what we are seeing at the moment. So the rallies are getting weaker. That's basically the message. We have rallies getting weaker, and let's take these lows here, connect them there. And if this market trades outside of this bearish wedge, then it looks like we have a move lower in the cards. So something like this market moving outside, maybe coming lower a little bit, then retracing some of the move. Sorry, this is not as effective as I would like it to be, but this is something that could happen. I'm not again saying that this is exactly what's going to happen, but this is often how the market behaves. It kind of moves in waves. First of all, it breaks out from the formation, then there's a retracement and then move lower. But obviously we can't say that it doesn't go lower immediately. So this is one of the scenarios that could play out here. And let's see what kind of sort of technical factors we have lower down here. First of all, let's go back a little bit and use the Fibonacci tool so that we can see where the important Fibonacci levels are. Okay, we have 23.6 Fibonacci retracement here at 104.44 and the 50 period moving average roughly at the same zone. And as you can see, we do also have this high that used to resist the price moves. Sorry, let me get this right. There we go. So we have a couple of things coming together here. We have a resistance that was penetrated. We have 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, and we have 50 period moving average. And also, if we look at the long-term picture, we can see that we do have a long-term trend line that was broken, and it kind of coincides with the same area. So assuming the market makes a lower or equal high and then breaks the latest support at 104.80, then it's more likely that we see a move down to 104.44 to 104.30 range. So that's roughly the range that we are looking at here. And so that's where we have technical confluence, quite a few different things coming together in this same area. If the market just keeps on going higher, then we obviously follow the our strategy, whatever our strategy is, whether we want to trade breakouts or pullbacks. But at the moment, this is what's going on in this currency pair, and I hope that you always trade safe, and I see you soon on the next video.